big bone right here, but it seems like it.
Are you concerned that you might have to miss some time, or you think you can get it ready in 5 days?
I don't think, probably gonna miss my next one, just cause, I have to wait for the swelling to go down, and, right now, like, I can make it fit, so it's a little hard to like move and stuff, it's just a little tender right now.
Frankie, what can you say about the way the bullpen stepped in and stepped up for you?
I mean, seriously, from Sutter to Diaz, like, I'm just glad, they went out there and picked me up, it's always tough on the bullpen when you start to go down, especially in the first inning, so those dudes right there, they're fighters, they're grinders, and I don't know how many times I have to tell them that thank you for picking me up,